How to call someone on Microsoft Teams. Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you guys how you can easily call someone on Microsoft Teams. First thing first, go ahead and open up your Teams. And once you open it up, you'll land on your home page. Just make sure that you are logged in. Now head over to the chat section from the bottom of your screen and tap on the chat where you want to start a call. So right here, this person has messaged me. I'm going to message them back. And at the top, you have two options, video call and then a normal audio call. So you can tap on either one of them. And once you tap on it, it will start ringing them. So your screen should look something like this. And you have an option to mute your mic down below, change your phone speaker to your normal speaker output, and that's pretty much it. If they are online and they accept your call, you should be able to get into a call with them. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.